Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube TV on Roku Ultra. Quick guide step by step clearly. To activate YouTube TV on your Roku Ultra, start by ensuring your Roku device is connected to your TV and powered on.
Next, navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button on your Roku remote. From the home screen, scroll down and select the Streaming Channels option.
In the Streaming Channels menu, select Search Channels to find the YouTube TV app. Type in YouTube TV using the on-screen keyboard and select it when it appears in the search results. Once you have found the YouTube TV app, click on Add Channel to install it on your Roku Ultra. After the installation is complete, go back to the home screen and find the YouTube TV app in your channel list. Open the YouTube TV app by selecting it. When prompted, sign in using your existing YouTube TV account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create a new one directly through the app. Upon signing in, you will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Take note of this activation code, as you will need it for the next step. Now, using a web browser on your computer or smartphone, go to the YouTube TV activation page at tv.youtube.com/start. Once on the page, enter the activation code that you noted earlier. Click the Next button to proceed with the activation process. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation. Once completed, return to the YouTube TV app on your Roku Ultra. You should now have access to all the content available on your YouTube TV account. Enjoy your streaming experience on Roku Ultra. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.